Hello, this video is to show you how to create your account in Aeries if you have never done so. The first thing that you are going to need to do before you can proceed with this is to contact the main office at Carquinez Middle School and ask for your student's ID number and a verification code. You're also going to need to have the phone number that you use to register your student available. So without those three things handy, you're not going to be able to create your account. So please make sure you have those before you continue with this screencast. So the first thing that you're going to do is make sure that you access the correct Aeries portal. One of the biggest mistakes that both students and parents make, even after they have already created their account, one of the biggest mistakes people make is to try to find the Aeries portal by typing in Aeries to their search browser and clicking something that comes up here. Now, if you do that, you're going to find that you are not in the right place. You're not going to be able to access this because the link for your child's Aeries account is specific to John Swett School District. So you need to go through the John Swett Unified School District page and access the link for Aeries portal here. Once you have done that, you can bookmark this page, but if it doesn't say John Swett Unified School District at the top, you're not going to be able to access the correct Aeries and it's going to block you. So please make sure that you're in the right place. Okay, so once you get to this screen, in order to create a new account, you're going to need to click the button that says Create New Account. Okay, and this part is pretty easy. You're just going to pick the parent guardian button here. And if you're logging in as a student, you can click the student button here. You can do this more than once, depending on who you are. Click in Next, and you're going to need to type in your email address twice and your password twice. Once you have logged in your password and your email address and your password, you're going to click the Next button. This is going to take you to a page that's going to make you verify your email address. You're going to need to open up a tab, and in your email, you're going to find a link that's going to take you back to the login page. So you're going to need to type in your information here. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to get an email code. Now, you could conceivably copy and paste that code, or you could just click the link that you're going to get in your email. So when I open my email here, I should have access to an account verification. So I'm going to confirm my email address here, and it's going to bring me to this page. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to need to log in using that email that I just set up. So I'm going to enter my email. I'm going to enter the password that I just created. And this is where you're going to need those three numbers from the main office. You are not going to be able to proceed without those three numbers. So once you have those three numbers, you're going to enter them here. So your student ID, the home telephone number that you use to register your student, and the verification code that the main office gives you. Once you have those three pieces of information, you're going to click Next, and it's going to bring you to a screen that says you've successfully logged in, you've created this account, and all you're going to need to do is click a button up here that says Home. And then you're going to be able to access all of your students' grades, their classes. You'll be able to communicate with the teacher. You'll be able to see what assignments your student has missing. And you'll be able to see what their current grade is. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to reach out to the main office or to your student's teacher, and they should be able to help you walk through the process. If you have no other questions, you should be good to go. You should now be able to access Aeries, and hopefully this process is going to help you out in that regard. So thank you and take care. Till next time.